Continuing from the last video, let's say you have -4 this time. It's going to be the same process. Just replace every x with -4. And here's why you want to write -4 in parentheses. Because if you didn't, if you just had it by itself without parentheses, that would be the same as saying -16. The negative sign doesn't go away. But if you put parentheses around the -4 and keep the exponent outside of the parentheses, now that's the same as saying -4 times -4, which is equal to +16. You have two negatives here, which is why they cancel each other out, because negative times negative is positive. So going back to the question, make sure you keep the negative numbers in parentheses. 2 times -4 plus 1. So when you simplify this, you get 16 plus -8 plus 1. And now you can simplify this a little more. 16 minus 8 plus 1, which becomes 8 plus 1. 16 minus 8 is 8, and you have the plus 1 from before. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is the answer here. We'll look at more examples in upcoming videos. Subscribing is free. Click the like, subscribe, and bell notification buttons for more videos.